The Figo Sports Edition comes with 1.2-liter petrol engine and 1.5-liter diesel engine, which is based on the titanium variant, but it features various changes over the standard titanium variant. It has a retuned suspension setup which should result in improved handling and better stability. The silver horizontal slats on the front grille have been replaced with an all-black honeycomb grille with black headlamp bezels. It has dual-tone exterior with either a black or white roof and a black or white outside rear-view mirrors depending on the color chosen. It also features 15-inch black alloy wheels, a rear spoiler and decals on the rear and the side. It also has an all-black interior with black door handles and black steering wheel bezeled. The engines on the Ford Figo Sports Edition are the same ones found on the regular car. The 1.2-liter petrol engine produces a maximum power of 87 bhp at 6,300 revolutions per minute and 112 Nm of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. The 1.5-liter diesel delivers out a maximum power of 99 bhp at 3,750 revolutions per minute and 215 Nm of torque at 1,750 revolutions per minute to 3,000 revolutions per minute. Transmission duties are done by 5-speed manual gearbox. Front suspension is independent McPherson strut with coil spring, and rear suspension is semi-independent twist beam with twin gas and oil-filled shock absorbers. Steering wheel of the vehicle is tiltable and minimum turning radius is 4.9 meters. Front brake of the vehicle is ventilated disc and rear brake is drum. Top speed of the vehicle is 170 km per liter. Fuel tank capacity of the vehicle is 40 liters. Overall length of the vehicle is 3,886 mm, overall width of the vehicle is 1,695 mm, and overall height of the vehicle is 1,525 mm. Ground clearance of the vehicle is 174 mm. Mileage of 1.2-liter petrol variant is 18 km per liter, and diesel variant gives a very good mileage around 24 km per liter. Alloy wheel size is 15-inch, tire size is 195/55 R15. Boot space of the vehicle is 257 liters. Safety features includes dual airbags, ABS and EBD braking system, speed sensing auto door lock, seat belt reminder, door ajar warning, keyless entry, perimeter alarm, engine immobilizer, etc. Comfort features includes adjustable front seat headrest, height adjustable driver seat, passenger vanity mirror, steering wheel mounted audio controls, gear shift indicator, electric boot release, 12 volts power point, etc. Infotainment system comes with 2-line MFD screen, 4 speakers, 2 speakers at front door and 2 at rear doors, Bluetooth, FM, AM radio, auxiliary input and USB input. Ex-showroom price of 1.2 petrol sport variant is 6,73,000 Indian rupee, and ex-showroom price of diesel variant is 7,69,000 Indian rupee.